Hello friends, good morning. So in this time I came to visit the 80 feet the Great Buddha statue temple, which is a statue located in Bodh Gaya, 1 kilometer away from the Mahabodhi temple. So I am going inside. Let's get waiting. Thank you. Statue. So even this temple is a great Buddha statue, which is also called by the local people as a 80-foot Lord Buddha statue. So the great Buddha statue, that is a Dai Butso, is one of the Buddhist pilgrimage in Bodh Gaya, which nicknamed the 80-foot 25-meter Buddha statue under the slogan "Spread Buddha's rays to the whole world." So it is one of the most beautiful statue. We can see how it is the statue looking from here. So I am going to see and visiting this the great Buddha statue, and lots of visitors are coming to visit this statue also in Bodh Gaya, which is only 1 kilometer away from the Mahabodhi temple and just opposite of and close to the Japanese temple. So I am going. So even the statue is representing the Buddha seated in a meditation pose or dhyan mudra on a lotus in a open air. So let's see. I am also feeling so good here. So this is written something about the Gautam Buddha. So even the statue was designed by V. Ganpati Setpati, who was a temple architecture builder from Madras, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, founded the Vastu Vedic Trust and Vastu Vedic Research Foundation for the development of and globalization of Vastu Shastra. So he also designed the Tiruvalluvar statue in Kanyakumari and Rajagopuram of Sri Ram and Sri Ganesh Shiv Durga in Greater Chicago in USA, Sri Murugan Temple in Fiji Island, and the San Margo Iravan Temple in Hawaii, and Sri Shiva Vishnu Temple in Maryland. So various temples across the world he architects and design. So we can see he also got a Padma Vibhushan award. So even so that the statue was designed by V. Ganpati Setpati and took 7 years to complete using the labor of 1,20,000 stone masons. So it is constructed from a combination of Lord Buddha statue. It is called the Great Buddha statue. So this is the view. I am also feeling so great and so excited after getting and visiting the place of this. So let's see the design of this Buddha statue, which is called as the Great 80-foot statue. So it is constructed from a combination of the sand, a stone, and a red granite blocks. So even the statue is representing the Buddha seated in a meditation pose or dhyan mudra on a lotus in the open air. So really, and it is one of the largest sitting Lord Buddha statue in India. Even there is one of the giant Buddha statue also located in Sarnath, which is also very tall, which is in a standing position, and this is in sitting position. And Sarnath is also popular where Gautam Buddha gave the first sermon and preach in Sarnath, where that was the Dhamek Stupa and the lion capital Ashoka built by the Samrat Ashoka also there. So let's see. And the great Buddha statue was surrounded by a smaller sculpture of Buddha's 10 disciples, 5 on each side. So 5 on each side. The disciple of Buddha was like the Sariputra, Rahula, who was the son of Buddha also, and along with the Anand, who was the most beloved disciple of Gautam Buddha. So the great Buddha statue was surrounded by a smaller sculpture of the Buddhist 10 disciples, 5 on each side. So the great Buddha statue was possible. The largest Buddha statue in India at the time was consecrated on 18 November in 1899 by the 14th Dalai Lama, who is staying in Kangra Dharamsala, where is a Dalai Lama temple, who was urged to stay like a refugee here because of he is doing a struggle for freedom for Tibet from China continent. So even I was also in Kangra also, and I also visited the Dalai Lama temple also in Kangra. Already uploaded it. So once again.